In this video, we're going to take a detailed look at how you can use PGP encryption with Kleopatra step by step, even if you've never worked with encryption tools or secure messaging before. Kleopatra is a simple yet powerful application that allows you to create PGP keys and encrypt messages to keep your communication private and secure. PGP encryption is widely used to protect sensitive information, and with Kleopatra, the process becomes much easier and more accessible for beginners. You don't need advanced technical knowledge to follow along. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how PGP encryption works and how to use Kleopatra to send secure, encrypted messages with confidence. Now let's get started by downloading Kleopatra and setting everything up. First off, we'll have to create a new key pair. So let's click on this right here. And right here, it'll say email address, but you do not really have to add an email address. It's purely optional. So I'll just click on OK and skip that part. And it'll say success. A new Open PGP certificate was created successfully. Click on OK. So just to show you what a PGP public key looks like, I'll show it to you. What you have to do is right-click on your name, click on Export, and I'll just export it to my desktop. I'll click on Save, and I've already done it once. So once you've had it on your desktop, you can right-click on this and click on Edit in Notepad. And right here, you'll see the fully PGP public key block we've just created. So to send an encrypted message to somebody, you'll need their PGP public key block. So I've already created a recipient key, so I'll just click on it right here on the notepad. And this is the same as the one you already created for yourself, but this is just from another person you want to send the encrypted message to. So what you'll need to do is you'll have to select their entire public key block. And the public key block starts with the first dash right here, and it'll end with the last dash right here. So you'll have to copy this fully. So just right-click on this and click on Copy. So what you'll have to do right now is go back to Kleopatra and click on Tools right here, Clipboard, and go to Certificate Import. And we'll just certify it with ourself. And here, it'll already say the name of the person you want their public key block to be added to your Kleopatra. So we'll click on Certify. Certification successful, it'll say. And as you can see right now, we've added someone to our Kleopatra. And in this case, it'll be the person we want to send our encrypted message to. So the next thing you want to do is create a message that we can encrypt with Kleopatra. So I'll go back to the notepad and type a message we want to encrypt. So I'll just say, "Hi, everybody." And what you'll have to do right now is select the entire message you want to encrypt and click on Copy. So right now, it's copied to our clipboard. The next thing you'll have to do is go back to Kleopatra, go to Tools, and then go to Clipboard and click on Encrypt. And here you have to add the recipient you want to send the encrypted message to. So let's click on this, and here we'll just choose Howard, the person we've just added, and click on OK. So we'll click on Next. Here, it'll give you a little warning as well, but as we're sending it not to ourselves but to somebody else, they will be the only person that can encrypt the message, so just click on Next right here. And right here, you can see Encryption Succeeded, and just click on OK right here. So the encrypted message right now automatically has been copied to our clipboard. So if you want to see the encrypted message, all you have to do is go back to the notepad. We can just delete this, and what we can do is just paste the encrypted message. And as you can see right here, it will say Begin PGP Message and End PGP Message. So this is the message you can send to somebody else through email, WhatsApp, or another messenger service as well. And if you send this message to a person, they will be able to decrypt it if their PGP public key has been added to their Kleopatra. So that is how you send a PGP message with Kleopatra. If you find this video helpful, finally, while tools like PGP encryption help secure your messages, it's just as important to protect your entire internet connection. Encryption only works on the message level, but your network activity can still be exposed, especially when you're using public Wi-Fi or unsecured networks. That's where a VPN like NordVPN comes in. NordVPN encrypts all of your internet traffic, helping keep your data,
online activity and communications private from hackers, trackers, and third parties. Whether you're sending encrypted messages, managing sensitive files, or just browsing online, a VPN adds an essential extra layer of security. If you want to take your online privacy seriously and protect everything you do on the internet, not just your messages, I highly recommend checking out NordVPN. The link is in the description if you want to get started and secure your connection today.